perfect consistency. Oh, yes. Thank you, Jules. Thank you. She loose as fuck. Don't take that the wrong way. Nah, this don't need no powder. My day has been excellent. How has your day been? No, you got it? Oh my God, when? When did you get them? Hey, clean with me. How are you? That's awesome. I love that. You gotta show me. I didn't see them. I am saving this. All right, I got 20 minutes. We're good on time. I appreciate everybody for sending, for being here, for interacting. Okay, I'll see it after when I'm done. It's on my page what I clean with this. I've done videos. No, nobody purchased a fabric softener, my love. I only put in what people purchased for their satisfaction. I am not putting alcohol, but thank you for the suggestion. I appreciate you. It isn't for you, and that's okay. There's nothing wrong with that. There's absolutely nothing wrong with that. It is for me, though. That's why I look like a crazy lady when I go to the store. I remember, I don't think if I told y'all, I went to the store to go get the rest of the stuff. I think I told Coley. I don't remember. No, you're fine. I was grabbing like all the green panelins. And the cashier, she was like, oh, you're gonna get a lot of cleaning done today, huh? I just started laughing. That shit was hilarious to me. I think I did tell you guys yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And I'm gonna go to the same Dollar General because they have products that I like there. Like, I try to switch it up and go to different places, but that one in particular, I was like, yes, I'm coming back. Why use gloves? That's fucking hilarious. Can you tell us the smell? It smells very floral. It smells very floral. It does not, it's not strong at all. If it was strong, I would, you're welcome. If it was strong, I would be coughing right now. but it is not strong. You're welcome. All right. How's our mental health today, guys? Talk to me. You're too pregnant to be watching this? The reason why I wear gloves, let me be nice. Let me stop. The reason why I wear gloves is because my hands could dry out a lot from all the different products being used. So I am gonna post this. So to my benefit, I wear gloves because I don't want ashy hands. Oh, you're welcome. Hey, Dad. Thank you. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna post this so you can watch it later on and hopefully it will help you. Tidy bowl is nice. I like it. I like to play with it. Have you guys ever done a fake rinse with less oil? Any of the clean talkers? Why is it satisfying to watch? Because it's amazing. No, you probably have low iron or have anxiety, and this just calms you down. That's okay, Angelica. Oh my goodness, are you 0? Am I 0? What number am I? Damn, sleepy. I'm glad I can help some type of way virtually. Good afternoon. I am putting them in bottles to be saved. Ooh, half acre. That's something you're gonna have to ask ChatGPT. I cannot assist you there. I apologize. Thank you for following. Thank you for following. Oh, am I serious? Am I serious about what? Where's the top to this one? Is it? Yeah, I think it's that one. Yeah, I be going heavy on that ice, but I'm trying to calm it down a little bit. What group are you guys in? I didn't know we were in a group to begin with. Yeah, probably. Hey. Do you use cornstarch? No, ma'am. I'm group 7. Okay, cool. Oh, yeah? They just prescribed me iron pills, so I've been taking that. I have no idea, Sonny. I'm just going with the flow. Trying to save this so I can get off. I low-key don't want to do that because I don't want to stop doing clean talk. So I prefer my iron pills. Because I know that if I take that, I'm not going to be wanting to do clean talk as much. And I love my peoples. Like, I've met some amazing people on here, so I'm okay with the iron pills. Oh damn, that's a lot. For it to be chipping out like that? Shit. I try to have at least one. I'm not even gonna say that because sometimes I'll do 2 cups. So it depends on my mood. Like if I'm super anxious and I can't squeeze, then I'll do 2 cups. Sí, señora. But for the most part, is this a top for this shit? I think so. All right, I am almost done. I have my own ice machine here, so I don't know what that group 7 shit is, but whatever makes them feel happy. Yeah, I was doing the same thing. I will go to Racetrack because I love their ice. They have like the hospital ice. And I will go ham. Right? It's amazing. I love it. I love the consistency. I don't know where the top for this one is, so we're gonna go with, oh wait, I think it's this one. I am not doing a rinse. I'm gonna leave the rinse for next live just because I have to go. I need to get back to work. I have to prepare for my meeting. And I need to start cooking. Oh, damn. I'm not gonna take off my gloves because then later I pay the consequences, so. Gracias. I'm just picking up a little bit. Alright, babies. Let's get y'all out of here. I am gonna put some water on them so they're not super hard. Yeah, I've done it before. Roomy. With laundry, and it was fucking horrible. What am I making? What do you mean, what am I making? Thank you for following.